Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here for another recipes, guys. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. My name is Beautiful Shine TV. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified for more videos. In today's video, as you can see, we always have everything we are using here already. Today's recipe, we are going to be making avocado juice, avocado and pineapple juice here. We have lemon here, we have avocado, and we have pineapple here. Also, we have cucumber. So this is what I'm going to take for my breakfast this morning. I just want to prepare it now. So continue watching, guys. We all know the benefit of homemade. Homemade is always nice, guys. It's always good. So let's get into the video right away. I'm not going to be using all this cucumber. I'm going to be using half of it. So continue watching, guys. First of all, we have to peel up the ananas, which is pineapple. As you can see, guys, you see the jug I have here. I'm going to be putting all these things, all the pineapple juice, all the back of the pineapple juice. I'm going to be putting it in the jug. So inside the water, I have these 3 cups of water inside this jug here. You don't need to throw it off. I just have to boil it a little bit, like 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm putting everything here just to boil it for 10 minutes or 7 minutes less. So that is the water I'm going to use to make this juice. It's properly washed already before. So keep washing.
True life story. My sister, make I tell you, make you listen. It's not easy for this life, my brother. It's not easy for this life, my sister. When man go grow, it go grow. People go tease it. It not go grow when you zoom, when you get small. But one day you go grow.
Okay, now we start. Oh, sorry guys, nearly the pineapple. Okay guys, as I said earlier, we're going to be adding the water from the pineapple juice, the back of it. I'm adding it here now. here today is not good there. Here is very sunny this early morning. The ananas is ready, which is pineapple. Now I'll be blending the lime, avocado, and cucumber. So continue washing.
My sister, no reason, nothing God cannot do. Oh, God.
Sorry guys.
If you know it now, my brother, you go eat tomorrow.
Okay, I have to add the avocado in the blender now. So I'm not going to finish all. I'm going to be using half of it, which is this. So I'm going to be cutting it and add it into the blender with the avocado.
This is Sean, aka DPO.
They are fully washed.
A true life story, I won't tell you.
And everything together. I'm going to be adding the remaining water, the one I used before for the pineapple. So the remaining water is here. I'm going to be adding it. This is the remaining one. It is properly blend now, so I have to mix everything here the way I did the other one before. I will be having this inside so that I can put it inside. I don't want to throw it. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Okay. That is the main reason why I put it so that no ash from there. Okay. So have to turn it. I'm going to be using this. It's just big for nothing. Not that much water is inside. So I'm going to be using both. If there is enough water inside, I will be glad. Oh, no, it's okay. I'm going to be using only this. Okay, guys. I thought there was no water inside. Unfortunately, there is much inside, guys. It's very, very good. I was not expecting it. Yeah. We have enough, guys. So into this I will be adding this juice, lemon juice inside to complete everything. Okay, guys.
tomorrow. Make I tell you, my
This is the
brother.
end of this video. It is good to drink healthy. And see you for my next video. Bye bye.
My brother, hope it comes. If not picking you, they find. If not picking